Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faustina and this is Tinastube. So in today's video, I'm doing a minimalistic makeup look and I'm using only 6 products in this video. Yeah, so I'm starting off with a freshly washed face, and I'm also going to show you how I hide all those acne on my face with little foundation. Okay, so yeah, let's get right into this video. And I'm making this video especially for those who don't want to do excessive makeup and you want to always come up looking natural after you are done doing your makeup. Okay, so yeah, so let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so as you can see, I'm using a primer on my face. So I have a combination skin, and combination skin means that sometimes I have dry skin, sometimes I have oily skin. So I started off with a primer because I wanted the makeup to stay for a longer time. And like I said, this is a minimalistic makeup look. So if you don't have a primer, it's okay. You can make do with whatever you have, okay? So I started with a primer and then I'm going to do my eyebrow right now. I haven't waxed my eyebrow for a very long time. I've tried to trim it on my own, and I'm still getting there. Okay, I'm doing this for always the clueless. Okay, I always do this makeup tutorial for the clueless out there like me, because I'm still learning how to do makeup, and anytime I learn something new, I always want to share. Okay, so to all my friends, all my subscribers out there who are not pro when it comes to makeup, we are in together. Okay, the fact that I'm doing this video, it doesn't mean that I'm a professional. So yeah, I'm just showing you how I conceal all these acne with my minimalistic makeup that I have. Okay, I have most of the products, don't get me wrong, I have most of the products, but on a regular day where I'm just stepping out briefly, or just going for a walk or going for a small meeting, I don't do a heavy makeup. I do something very simple, something very light, and that is what I want to show you today in this video, how I achieve my simple makeup look with a little product. Okay, especially on the foundation. So stick to the end and you'll see how the result comes out. And please scroll to the bottom of this video and leave me a comment. Let me know what I'm doing wrong. Let me know where I can improve. Alright, so at this point I'm using my concealer to define my eyebrow, because I want my eyebrow to stand out. Anytime you are doing a simple makeup, if the eyebrow stands out, it's enough. Okay, the eyebrow alone can be enough for the makeup. So I'm just using the concealer to kind of define the eyebrow for it to stand out. I wasn't able to get a twin eyebrow. I'll get there someday. I wasn't able to get a twin eyebrow, but I'll get there. So I'm just using the concealer I used to define the eyebrow to kind of even out, because concealer helps a lot when it comes to acne. Concealer can help a lot in blocking a lot of acne, and since I have so much blemishes on my face, I'm trying to use a concealer to hide all those spots. So if you're watching this video and you have a face type like mine, you should invest in a concealer, and that is going to help you hide all those acne and blemishes you have on your face when you want to achieve that simple makeup look. Yeah. So right now what I'm doing is that I'm also using the concealer to highlight all those places that has dark spots on my face. I have a lot, so if I say I'm putting concealer on all those dark spots, it will be too much. Okay, so I just use the concealer to kind of to conceal some of the dark areas on my face, and I'm just blending it out evenly because I don't want to use heavy foundation. That's why I'm going a lot on the concealer, because the concealer alone is going to help me hide all those acne and blemishes on my face. So yeah, so right now I'm just blending it out with a brush. I'm just using one brush to do all that. So I'm just blending all out, and now I'm introducing my foundation. So like the title, I'm doing all this with little foundation. So I'm just putting this foundation on my face just like I did with the concealer. You know, something very minimal, something very simple, you know. I don't want to introduce a lot of makeup on my face, and that is what this video is about today. So I'm just dipping the tip of the foundation on my face. Yes, and then once I'm done with that, I'm going to use my brush to also blend it out. And you can see that the concealer even did the work itself. You know, after I used the concealer, you could see that all the dark spots on my face disappeared. So you always have to check, you know, when you are buying a concealer, the right one that would help you with your face. With this one, I went to Sephora and they actually chose this color for me. And right now I'm trying to switch to Fenty to see how it works, because I've been using Born This Way for a very long time. So I'm trying to switch. I ordered the product and I'm yet to receive it. When I get it, I'll do a review and show you the difference between the Fenty and then the Born This Way from Sephora. Yeah, so I blended my foundation, so I'm done. The makeup is almost done. Okay, so right now what I'm doing is I'm just doing my my lip, and any lip color would do. This video is not to push products on you, just any color that works for you, any lip color that works for you. I love to use pink a lot because I think pink makes me pop out, especially when I want to achieve a simple makeup look. Okay, so in this video I'm just going with pink. My dress is pink and my mouth is pink. Pink lady. Alright, so I'm just using the Fenty powder, the setting powder, to set everything, to set the foundation, the concealer. You know, like I said, I have a combination skin. My skin can be very dry, it can also be very, very oily. So I'm just using the powder to set up everything that I put on my face, and to also to reduce the oil from my face. So yeah, I just use the Fenty powder to do that. And I'm going in with my eyeshadow. This is optional. This is very, very optional. As a matter of fact, I almost didn't use eyeshadow, but I was stepping out to go do something, so I decided to do the eyeshadow. And as usual, we'll go with pink. So I blended pink and purple. I blended it pink and purple. Alright, so I'm done with the makeup. Very simple, very, very simple. And I used only 6 products: my primer, my concealer, my foundation, my pencil, my lip gloss, and what was the last product I used? 5 products. Am I missing something? And my eyeshadow. And like I said, you can decide not to use an eyeshadow, you can decide not to use a lipstick, a lip gloss would do, but this is the look I was able to come up with at the end of my makeup. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you don't like this video, give me a thumbs down, but let me know what I did wrong. Like I said, this is a minimalistic makeup look. So thank you all so much for watching. It's your girl Tina. your girl Tina. And like I always say, I bring you nothing but the best. So please, thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe and see you next time. Bye.